Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I come to you with a fresh face with no makeup, freshly washed and moisturized. And I'm going to be trying out some makeup that I've just been going down the YouTube rabbit hole lately. But this particular one here, and this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. And this is in the shade 160. It's like this pale pinky pink type of concealer. Now normally I use a concealer that's closer to my skin tone. I do have, but I don't have it here with me. But I just wanted to see what the big deal was and whether or not it would work for me. Now, as you may or may not know, I have combination skin, oily T-zone, dry cheeks, and I tend to get darkness around my eyes, especially when I haven't slept well or it's allergy season like it is now. And my gosh, I just realized I have to do my brows. Yeah, another project for another time. But anyway, if you're wondering if they're real, yeah, they are, because I don't have permanent laser removal on this. But that's besides the point. I'm rambling. Anywho, let's dive into this bad boy. All right, so I finally got the little piece of plastic that was tied around here. It's in this case, and then it also has another safety feature here, so I'm glad I got that off. All right, so now we have that infamous foam tip that we love. I don't know why I feel the need to shake this. It doesn't really need it, but we're going to turn this now. Something just There we go. There it is. It looks real pale on here. All right, so I have just moisturized my face. I haven't put on any primer, but I just want to see how this looks. So, oh yeah, that's pink. Whoa, that is indeed pink. But I do like the coverage, the creaminess and the smoothness. I'm gonna put this over here because I want to cover my hair. I'm gonna do that real quick. And to cover the redness. Okay, so here we go. Make sure it's getting in the... So what do I think? It does brighten. It does brighten. All right, so it does brighten, and I guess for certain skin tones, maybe it probably works, or it's more effective than on others. It's definitely brighter here. I'm gonna put on some foundation. Okay, this is also from Maybelline, and this is their Instant Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Glow. I've also been seeing this quite a bit online. Again, it has that infamous top. So now we have to do this, I guess. It's already coming out. All right, so I'm smelling this. I'm not sure. I thought this was like a foundation, but I don't think it is. I think this is more to add a glow to your skin. Yeah, it's kind of glowy. Like this would be perfect for like the summer. I'm like, that's so interesting. I really was expecting like a glowy foundation. Because it looks like there's something also coming out that looks more skin tone, but For the life of me, I don't know where it... Yeah, it's like... Do you see that? It almost looks like... Yeah. So it has a bit of a tint, but then it looks like this. That's interesting because I don't see any color on this. See, it seems more like it's glowy. See that? Oh, this is perfect for the summer, I have to say. So, okay, this is not exactly a foundation, even though it appears to be. I don't know if this is Maybelline's response to the e.l.f. Halo Glow version. This looks like such a summery, dare I say it, summery fresh look. Like this would be perfect for like the summer. I mean, look at that. I have to say this, wow. This looks glowy. This looks like, oh, I'm not wearing any makeup today. I just woke up like this. Just naturally glowing, no makeup on. Well, technically, you know, I have, you know, this, the pink corrector and this, the 4-in-1 perfector. But yeah, I think that this is in response to e.l.f.'s glow version. So I'm like, I like it. It looks nice. I was expecting a bit more color. I mean, it appears like there's color on here, but it's not showing up on me. I'm sorry, it just isn't. So if you're looking for something that, you know, you don't want to put a lot on your skin, you don't want to wear a heavy foundation, you want to have a makeup, no makeup look, this might be right up your alley, along with this. I think if you go with these two, a little, and then, you know, if you don't want to deal with the extra, as well as wearing, you know, a lot of makeup, this may be a good fresh look, or at least a base. To me, this is a base. And I like it. I'm here for it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest Maybelline adventure, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe.